Exercise 1. In this exercise, we are going to practice the alphabet, Arabic alphabet, in a random order. That will help us to remember and recognize the letters. Jim, Sin, Ain, Ra, Sod, Ta, Qaf, Lam, Ba, Hamza, Dad, Ta, Kha, Ghain, Tha, Za, Kaf, Ha, Ha, ضا شين دال يا فا ذال ميم واو ألف نون را. Let's practice further. با طا نون عين جيم شين ثا يا دال ألف همزة ذال خا را ضاد حا ميم سين غين لام يا فا زا ظا كاف صاد قاف تا واو ها. So, the next lesson is alphabets that are in detached forms. So, we are going to find or go through the alphabets in the actual form and how they look in the beginning, middle, and the end form. It's a very good exercise to recognize the Arabic alphabet. Among the differences of other languages with the Arabic alphabets, apart from six letters, every other letter has to be attached when they come in a word. Okay, so we'll talk about the six letters later, but let's start with it. So, Alif, and you can say when it's attached, it looks the same. Okay, Ba, that's how it looks in the beginning form of Ba. Ta, there are two types of Ta. One is a normal Ta, and one is a round Ta or Ta marbuta. So you can see how they look in the beginning form. And that's the ending form of ta marbuta. Tha, you can look how tha, we recognize the tha with three dots on the top. Jim, ha, and kha. So the difference between jim, ha, and kha, when they're written together, is the dots. Dot below is a jim, dot above is a kha, and no dot is a ha. Dal, dal, ra. So in different fonts, these are just the different fonts. Okay, so when you look at the Quran, some Qurans will have the ra in this form and in this form. Za, sin, sheen. So the difference between sin and sheen are the three dots. Remember, sheen, it's a W, three dots, and this is a tha, just one curve. Sad, dad, ta, za, ain. Now, ain changes form every time. So that's the beginning form, that's the middle form, that's the end form. Now, do need to remember, ain looks like a hamza, but we need to recognize or differentiate the ain by knowing the fact that hamza comes independently, whereas ain comes connected. Okay, it will be joined in a word. You will not find an ain disjointed in anywhere in the book like this. If you see this disjointed in the Quran, that's a hamza. Ghain, and the difference between ain and ghain is the dot. Fa, qaf, kaf. The two types of kaf, just for you to remember, that normally comes towards the end, but yes, kaf, two forms of kaf. Lam, the difference between alif and lam is lam has a connective after, a tail, you can say, and alif does not have it because alif is one of those letters which do not join with other letters. Okay, meme, noon, wow, ha. Now ha is among those letters which has different forms in each part of the letter word, beginning, middle, and the end form. Hamza, yeah, and yeah. Exercise 2. In this exercise, we are going to practice the letters in their joint form. Z, sin, ain, ra, sod, ta, qaf, lam, ba, ain, dad, ta, kha, ghain, tha, za, kaf, ha, ha, da, ta, dal, ya, fa, ذا ها wa, alif, noon, ra. Let's practice further. Ain, kaf, noon, ha, ain, sheen, ha, dad, ghain, ain, ta, jim, ba, ra, ta, ha, mim, sin, ghain, lam, ya, fa, za, za, kaf, sad, qaf, tha, waw, ha. Exercise 3. In this exercise, we are not going to read as a word. We will be recognizing the letters. Okay? So, za, lam, mim, noon, jim, ba, ta, waw, ain, sad, dad, ya, fa, sin, tha, ghain, sheen, ha, kaf, dal, noon, kaf, ha, ra. Let's practice further. Ba, sin, mim, ba, ain, dad, ba, ha, mim, noon, ha, noon, za, ra, qaf, ain, noon, ha, ya, waw, mim, ha, mim, sin, ra, mim, za, ra, dad, ya, ha, mim, lam, da, lam, mim. Let's practice more. Ta, qaf, waw, ya, ain, lam, ya, ha, alif, noon, ta, mim, fa, sin, ba, ha, ba, ha, mim, dal, mim, sin, kaf, noon, alif, sin, ra, fa, sad, ra, alif, ta, ta, ha, dal, ya, mim, ha, dal, tha, noon, ha, alif, ra, ya, sin, hamza, lam.